We at Planet 3 Studios believe that the key to creating a successful design lies in defining the right program. Our idea for the workstation owes much to an ambitious and well-articulated wish list provided by Godrej and IIID. We listened to it very carefully, and the prototype that you see before you is a result of that. The brief mentioned Innovation Awards. It also mentioned modularity, adaptability, flexibility to be used for large or small spaces, and for varied end users. We toyed with these points of inspiration, and at some subliminal level, it helped us create our design. Innovation. That was the key word. The workstation, as we see it today, was invented 40 years ago and since then has remained unchanged. For a product to which no innovation has been added for the past 40 years must be perfect. Which makes us think, so why is Godrej seeking innovation in an already perfect design? Is it something that we as designers have not perceived as yet? Is it some subtly changing market dynamics that is leading Godrej to rethink about the basic construct of a workstation, or are they just looking for some stylistic changes in color or form? Questions in our mind were many. To seek answers, we also delved into our own personal experience of having designed over 40 corporate offices till now. The modular workstation is a perfectly functional product fulfilling every requirement of a modern-day office. This made us realize that the scope of improvement lay not after the workstations are being used, but at the time of installation. Design of a workspace has not undergone much change, but what has definitely undergone a tremendous change are project time schedules. Clients, especially in India, like the BPO sector, are looking for just-in-time capacity additions to existing facilities. Some clients need build-to-suit solutions in time frames that allow only razor-thin margins for error. It is precisely these squeezing time frames that our design targets without compromising on quality or aesthetic appeal. Installation of a modular workstation takes roughly 3 weeks on a prepared site. We propose to cut that time to 3 days. Ambitious? Yes, but we feel that's the need of the hour. When we zeroed in on the concept of a compact workstation, we also looked at product line expansion very closely and tried to build the workstation in a way that can be used for small or large offices, varied usages, for homes and offices. The possibilities are unlimited. Now, I would like to take the pleasure of actually demonstrating the installation of our prototype. Each box is a component of 2 worktops, accompanied by necessary components of storage trolley, CPU trolley, and peripherals like pinup boards and whiteboards, all pre-fitted at the factory stage. The size of each box is 5 feet in length, 4 feet in height, and 18 inches in width. The module can be wheeled in its proposed location with the help of its castors. Before the workstation is installed, preparatory site functions mandatory for all spaces need to be carried out. For example, the flooring and electrical junction boxes all need to be in place. After the workstation is wheeled in its proposed location, the entire workstation can be unfolded with the help of just a single key. As you see in the video, the lady has now unlocked the first face of the module and gently pushes the storage trolley outwards on the other side. Fitted at the back of the storage trolley is the CPU tray, which is then released and placed in position. The same process is carried out for the storage trolley on the other side. Next to unfold would be the worktop with a gentle push. The size of the worktop that you see in the prototype is 2 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. After the worktop is in place, the keyboard tray is lifted and fitted in place below the worktop with 2 nut bolts. The footrest is released at the same time as the keyboard tray is lifted. The drawers of the storage trolley are held in position with a master lock to prevent them from falling during transportation. The central panel that anchors the outer frame of the workstation also carries the electrical conduits and cabling that supply power to the computer monitor and CPU. It also carries the LAN and telephone cabling. On the face of the module, you will see space for pin-up boards and whiteboards, telephones, thus making the module completely ready to use in the first 5 minutes of installation. To further enhance the flexibility of this product, computer flat screen monitors can be pre-installed from the factory itself. Just as it can be easily installed, it can be easily transported to places with the help of castors provided below. The modules are also designed in a fashion that fit in neatly in shipping containers with minimum wastage of space. To sum up the workstation, I would like to say that unlike previous workstations, which are an assembly of a number of components, this workstation is a single component. It does not fit itself to any category, but is a category establishing product. Thank you.